Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
According to the experts, you should thaw a turkey in a refrigerator set to 40 degrees Fahrenheit or below for about 24 hours for each 4 to 5 pounds. If your bird weighs more than 20 pounds, you should start thawing in the fridge on Friday, November 20th.
Let's help you make your mark.
Wash your hands, but not the turkey. Many consumers think that washing their turkey will remove bacteria and make it safer. However, it's virtually impossible to wash bacteria off the bird. Instead, juices that splash during washing can transfer bacteria onto the surfaces of your kitchen, other foods and utensils.
Let's help you make your mark.
1 hour. Your turkey will cook more evenly and faster if you start it out at room temperature, so remove the turkey from the refrigerator 1 hour before roasting. If you plan to stuff your turkey, wait until you're ready to put it in the oven before putting the stuffing in the turkey.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.